All right, so as you may be able to tell, this is a slightly different video than usual. We're in my garage with my very old Jeep. It's going to be 20 in a few months. And I just wanted to kind of talk about how technology can really improve old things and make them safer or make them better. So today, we're going to be putting in some LED headlights into the Jeep. The Jeep is still using sealed halogen bulbs, which means the entire light bulb comes in a singular housing. They're terrible. They give off almost no light. I will turn off the lights and turn on the headlights in a second, and you can see how terrible they are. Actually, let's go ahead and do that now. So, as you can see, they're really not bright. I'll show a little bit of footage from my dash cam. But basically, if there's any other light source on the road, it's probably brighter than my headlights. So, I thought I would just do a quick video showing me switching the headlights out and what a difference they can make on an almost 20-year-old car. What the old bulb looks like. It's a solid bulb. All right, so even with the lights on, you can see a significant difference of what the new bulb versus the old bulb looks like. Huge difference. This is what the old bulb looks like. Like I said, it's a solid sealed halogen bulb. And the problem is, when these die, you have to replace the entire thing. It's not just replacing the bulb inside. So with these LEDs, I got them for as cheap as a sealed bulb. Actually, cheaper than a sealed bulb because these are not cheap. And yeah, this is working awesome so far. Whew. All right, well, we've got them both replaced. Let's go ahead and take a look at how it looks now with both of them on. And I will go for a drive, get some more dash cam footage so we can compare the two, because, you know, dash cam footage isn't the greatest quality, but if you compare one against another, you're going to see a big difference. So let's go ahead and turn these on. Let's turn the lights off. I would like to say that it's a significant difference compared to what it was before. Now, all I have to do now is make sure that I aim the headlights, which is something I'll have to do outside, and then I'm good to go. For $42 each bulb, I basically upgraded the lights on this 20-year-old Jeep to something a little bit more in the 21st century. So pretty awesome. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be great for my late night drives, especially when I go camping and stuff. And yeah, like I said, I really just wanted to cover how some new technology, especially once it gets very inexpensive, right? LED bulbs, when they first came out, were very expensive. But now that they're comparable to getting the regular kind of bulbs, this is a huge difference in terms of the performance that it's giving me. They give off a lot less heat, and it's going to keep me a lot safer on the road. And I mean, that's really it. I really just wanted to show again what new technology can do for older things like a car, New technology can improve older technology. You can tack it on. And it was something that I was already going to be doing, so I figured I would try to make it into a video and try to show you guys this. If you do want to see me do more videos away from my desk and out in the wild, I will try to improve the audio. I know the audio was an issue, and I would love to get out and do a little bit more videos away from the desk if possible. So if that's something you're interested in, please let me know in the comment section down below. But if you did like the video, I'd really appreciate it if you like, subscribed. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, as always, you can leave those down in the comment section below. I'd like to thank my patron sponsors, Thought Slime and Step Back, and I'd like to thank you for watching in this video. If you do want to see any of my other normal videos, you can go ahead and check out the video right up here. And as always, stay safe out there. I'll see you next Friday.